fish, you know me loving your wine. Pretty girl, you're giving me signs, and you tell me you don't want me. Can you make up your mind? Pretty girl, you're taking your time. Why you do?
Hi guys, today I'm back with another video. So today I will be making baked salmon with white rice and collard greens. So let's get this video started. First I will be going to go wash my hands, and then I'll be back with the next step. Peace. Okay, so I already washed my hands. I already cut these up into pieces. I lightly seasoned the salmon with some lemon juice. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I washed my hands and cut the salmon up into pieces. I lightly seasoned the salmon with some garlic and parsley season. This right here is a lifesaver. And I coated the pan with some lemon juice, so give it some extra flavor, and also topped it with some black pepper. I don't really need to add enough salt because the garlic here is strong enough, but I'll probably add salt once the salmon is done to see if it needs any or not. And then I will be topping it off with these 2 sticks of butter that will be slicing up and then placing throughout the whole pan so that it can cook evenly and not be dried out. After that, I will be making a pot of rice and heating up some collard greens. After I place the butter into this, I will be covering with aluminum foil. The oven is already preheated to 350, and then I'll be back with the next step. See you later, guys. Okay, so I already placed the butter on these. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more lemon juice. Just a little bit more lemon juice, so that just a little, because the butter will help cut some of the acidity from the lemon juice. So now I'm about to wrap it up with some aluminum foil and place it into the oven. I'll be back when it's time to make the rice. Ooh, look at that. Almost done. Alright, I'm going to take the thing off and let it cook the rest this way. Rice is almost done, and we got these collard greens over here heating up, and the salmon is looking good. I drained off some of that juice, so it's going to bake good.